Are you tired of fad diets and ineffective weight loss strategies? Many people are turning to a powerful combination intermittent fasting and the ketogenic diet. This approach goes beyond simple calorie restriction. It optimizes your body's natural fat-burning mechanisms for impressive results. Could this be the ultimate weight loss hack you've been searching for? This essay explores the ins and outs of intermittent fasting and keto, unveiling the science behind their synergy, and providing a roadmap for successful implementation. Get ready to unlock the secrets of sustainable weight loss and improved well-being. Intermittent fasting isn't about what you eat, but when you eat. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, shifting your body's metabolic state. Popular methods include the 16-8 method, fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window, the 5-2 diet, eating normally for 5 days and restricting calories for 2 non-consecutive days, and alternate day fasting. By strategically timing your meals, you can tap into your body's fat-burning potential. During fasting periods, insulin levels drop, signaling your body to access stored fat for energy. This metabolic switch can lead to significant weight loss and other health improvements. The ketogenic diet revolves around drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with healthy fats. This metabolic shift forces your body to enter a state called ketosis, where it starts burning fat for fuel instead of glucose. A well-formulated keto diet typically consists of 70 to 80% fat, 20 to 25% protein, and only 5 to 10% carbs. This macronutrient ratio ensures a steady supply of ketones, molecules produced from fat breakdown, which serve as an alternative energy source. Imagine combining two powerful forces for a multiplied effect. That's precisely what happens when you integrate intermittent fasting with the ketogenic diet. Both approaches complement each other by promoting fat burning and metabolic efficiency. Intermittent fasting primes your body to burn fat by lowering insulin levels, while keto provides the ideal fuel source fat for sustained energy. This synergy can lead to accelerated weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, and enhanced mental clarity. Unlocking the benefits. Why combine IF and keto? The combined benefits of intermittent fasting and the ketogenic diet go beyond simple weight loss. This powerful duo can transform your health in multiple ways, making it a popular choice for those looking to optimize their well-being. Accelerate ketosis. Intermittent fasting helps deplete glycogen stores faster, propelling your body into ketosis more efficiently. When your body enters ketosis, it starts to burn fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates, leading to more effective weight management and energy levels. Enhance fat burning. By limiting your eating window and reducing carbs, you maximize your body's fat-burning capacity. This means that not only will you lose weight, but you'll also be able to maintain muscle mass and improve your overall body composition. Improve mental clarity. Stable blood sugar levels and a steady supply of ketones can enhance cognitive function and focus. Many people report feeling more alert and productive when they combine intermittent fasting with a ketogenic diet. Reduce hunger. Intermittent fasting and keto work synergistically to regulate appetite hormones, keeping cravings at bay. This makes it easier to stick to your dietary goals and avoid the pitfalls of overeating or snacking on unhealthy foods. Boost metabolic flexibility. This combination enhances your body's ability to switch between fuel sources, optimizing energy utilization. With improved metabolic flexibility, you can better handle periods of fasting and feasting, making it easier to maintain a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Additionally, combining intermittent fasting and keto can lead to better insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. It can also support cardiovascular health by lowering bad cholesterol levels and increasing good cholesterol. This holistic approach to diet and lifestyle can lead to long-term health benefits, making it a sustainable choice for many. In summary, the synergy between intermittent fasting and the ketogenic diet offers a comprehensive approach to health and wellness. By integrating these two powerful strategies, you can unlock a multitude of benefits that go beyond just weight loss, paving the way for a healthier, more vibrant life. Navigating the journey: practical strategies for beginners. Embarking on an intermittent fasting and keto journey can seem daunting, but it's achievable with the right approach. The key is to start with small, manageable steps and build from there. Start slowly and gradually adapt your body to this new way of eating. Begin by making small changes to your diet and fasting schedule, allowing your body to adjust without feeling overwhelmed. Ease into intermittent fasting by beginning with a 12-hour fasting window. This means you would fast for 12 hours and have a 12-hour eating window. Gradually extend it to 14 or 16 hours as you feel comfortable. This gradual approach helps your body to adapt more easily and reduces the likelihood of feeling deprived or overly hungry. Adopt a keto-friendly diet by focusing on consuming whole, unprocessed foods rich in healthy fats, moderate protein, and low-carb vegetables. This means incorporating foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens into your meals. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, especially during fasting periods. Hydration is crucial as it helps to curb hunger and supports your body's processes, including metabolism and digestion. To curb hunger and support your body's processes, consider drinking herbal teas or adding a pinch of salt to your water to maintain electrolyte balance. And of course, listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel during fasting and eating periods. If you experience any discomfort or unusual symptoms, it may be a sign to adjust your approach. Pay close attention to your body's signals. Keeping a journal can be helpful to track your progress, note any changes in how you feel, and make necessary adjustments to your fasting windows or food choices. Adjust your fasting windows or food choices if needed. Use tools like fitness apps or smartwatches to monitor your progress and stay motivated. Remember, the journey is personal, and what works for one person may not work for another. Be patient with yourself, and make adjustments as needed to find what works best for you. Overcoming challenges, Keto Flu and More. While intermittent fasting and keto offer remarkable benefits, you might experience some initial challenges. These challenges can sometimes be discouraging, but understanding them can help you navigate through them more effectively. Keto flu, for instance, is a common hurdle. As your body adapts to burning fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates, you might encounter flu-like symptoms such as fatigue, headaches, and nausea. This is your body's way of adjusting to a new metabolic state. These symptoms usually subside within a few days to a week. Staying hydrated and replenishing electrolytes can significantly ease this transition period. Nutrient deficiencies can also be a concern when following a keto diet. Restricting certain food groups can increase the risk of missing out on essential vitamins and minerals. It's crucial to ensure you're getting enough electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Consider supplementing if needed and focus on incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods into your diet. Leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and avocados are excellent choices to help maintain a balanced intake of nutrients. Social situations can be tricky too. Attending gatherings where food is a central element can pose challenges, especially if the options available don't align with your dietary choices. Navigating social gatherings that involve food can be challenging. It's helpful to plan ahead and communicate your dietary preferences to the host, or bring your own keto-friendly dishes to share. Plan ahead and communicate your dietary choices to avoid feeling pressured. This proactive approach can help you stay on track and enjoy social events without compromising your dietary goals. Remember, these challenges are temporary and can be mitigated with proper planning and preparation. By understanding and anticipating these hurdles, you can better equip yourself to overcome them and continue reaping the benefits of your keto and intermittent fasting journey. Proceed with caution. Who should avoid IF and keto? While intermittent fasting and keto offer incredible benefits for many, they're not suitable for everyone. Consult your doctor before making significant dietary changes, especially if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, as these conditions require specific nutrient intakes that might not be met on intermittent fasting and keto. If you have a history of disordered eating, restrictive diets can trigger unhealthy eating patterns. And if you manage certain medical conditions, intermittent fasting and keto can interact with medications or worsen existing health issues. Always prioritize your health and seek professional guidance to determine if intermittent fasting and keto align with your individual needs. The final word: listen to your body, consult your doctor. Intermittent fasting and the ketogenic diet, when combined strategically, can be a powerful tool for weight loss, metabolic enhancement, and overall well-being. However, it's essential to approach this lifestyle change with careful consideration and a focus on long-term sustainability. Listen to your body's signals, adapt the approach to your individual needs, and consult your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized guidance. Remember, your health journey is unique, and making informed decisions is paramount to achieving lasting success.